on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, and YouTube, and all you other social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this Friday? So here we are with part 3, creating the dispute letters, and how quick and easy it is. So now we're here. Click of a button. Boom. It's generating the list of all the things we're going to dispute. What's in the credit. Okay. So we go this way. Click that way. Now we go continue. Now you have them all here. So now we're going to go click all of them. Ta-da. Now you have all the letters for all the groups, for all the people. Look at that. Everything's in there for all things. Now we'll send it off. Let's just save my letters. Okay, you have to save letter. Are you sure you want to save? Yes. First round. Then we save it. Save all the letters.